Hello students, today of the chapter 11, chapter name is plant, okay, it is of class first. Today we will read this chapter which is plant. I am sure that you all have seen so many varieties of plant around us. Just look at this picture, there are some kids and they are in park having different type of plants. You can just say it is of its size is too large, it is very small size, it is of you can say the size between neither it is very small nor it is very big, okay. And the shape, if you will see, its shape is dome shape, na, its shape is conical, you can see, you can just also see here it is dome shape, it is bushy in structure. So, and these are the grasses, you can just see how small size it is, na. So if we want to see the plant, we'll see many varieties there, okay. So today in this chapter we will just see the different types of plants. It is the first part of this chapter in which we will discuss the different types of plant. Even in this chapter the topics are which we should complete. The first, the different types of plant, okay, and the second topic will be the different parts of plant. What are the different parts? Like, let me show you. If you turn the page number 54, then you will see what are the different parts of plant and tree, okay. And then the leaves which is of different types, it can be different size, shape, you can see, okay. And the last topic will be the plant product, what we get, why we are just reading this topic, because we get so many things from plant, okay. So let's deal all the topics one by one, okay. So what was our first topic? Our first topic was just the different types of plants, okay. So let me show you. If you just make a small pictographic presentation, then you will see the plant around us can be a very big size, na? Like you have seen mango, you have seen neem, peepal, banyan tree. So all these are called tree. Why? It is very big size and their stem, okay, stem, let me show you this part, okay, which help the plant to stand upright. This is a stem. If this stem is very strong, okay, we use this stem for many other uses like furnitures. So if this stem is very strong, then we call this big plant as tree, है ना? You all have seen tree. So फटाफट से tell me the name of 5 trees. Okay, mango tree you all have seen. Very good. Then mango, peepal, neem, banyan. Then it is a tree. Then you all have also seen very small plants like grass, na? Everyone have seen grass. This small size of plant is known as herb. Just pay attention, you should know this. It is herb, na? HERB. Clear? So you have seen the grass means the very small plant, na? So very big plant, very small plant. Now we'll see, I'm sure that you all have seen the plant between the size of this means neither very small nor very big, like rose, na? Yes, China rose also. So these are small, or you can see neither very small nor very big. It is known as shrub, na? So just see here, we all have seen the herb, like when you are very small in size, na? Then shrub, and then finally the tree, na? Herb, shrub, tree. Herb, shrub, tree. Herbs very small, shrub small bushy structure, means like jhadi jaisa structure, okay. And the tree, let me show you picture. You can just see it is very small, na? Means it is herb. Now it is a small bushy structure. It is you will see shrub, and it is tree. Clear? So it is about this. Okay, tree, herbs and shrub. Okay, in case of tree, that this stem is very strong, na? That is known as trunk. The very strong stem of tree is known as trunk. Clear? Now, if we see, as I have told you, this part is called stem. This stem makes a plant to stand upright. ये ऐसे खड़ा रहता है, ठीक है ना? Clear? So to plant, the stem makes the plant to stand upright, but in some cases this stem is very weak, है ना? And if this stem is very weak, then the plant will not able to stand upright. Either they will creep like this. ये इस तरीके से creep करेंगे, है ना? जैसे snake creep करता है ना, तो ये क्या करेंगे, क्रीप करेंगे, और उन प्लांट्स को हम क्या बोलेंगे, क्रीपर्स बोलेंगे, ठीक है? ये जो आपकी ग्राउंड होती है उस पर क्या करते हैं, क्रीप करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ग्रासेस, यू ऑल हैव सीन. आई एम पुटिंग दोज एग्जाम्पल्स विच यू हैव सीन वेरी फ्रिक्वेंटली. सो क्रीपर्स आर द ग्रासेस. I am just giving you example, and these plants whose stem is very weak and they can't stand upright, है ना? वो ऊपर नहीं खड़े हो सकते हैं, जैसे ट्रीज होते हैं एंड आपकी श्रब्स होती हैं, दे कैन स्टैंड अपराइट, बट दीज क्रीपर्स कांट स्टैंड अपराइट, सो दे जस्ट क्रीप. वो ग्राउंड पे रेंगते हैं और इन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं, क्रीपर्स बोलते हैं. एंड देन सम अदर केसेस, इफ़ वी प्रोवाइड सपोर्ट, देन if we provide support, then around that they try to climb, है ना? और ये उसकी हेल्प से क्लाइम करना शुरू कर जाते हैं. एंड देन दीज प्लांट हैविंग वीक स्टेम वी कॉल द क्लाइंबर्स, ना? क्लाइंबर्स एंड क्रीपर्स. क्रीपर्स ये हो गए आपके, और क्लाइंबर्स आपके जो ऊपर की तरफ किसी सपोर्ट की हेल्प से ऊपर क्लाइम कर रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ग्रेप्स. ओके, आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? सो इट वॉज ऑल ऑफ फर्स्ट टॉपिक ना. फर्स्ट टॉपिक का ये पार्ट था कि जो प्लांट्स अराउंड अस, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ प्लांट विच वी सी अराउंड अस. ओके, इन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट विल सी द पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट्स. ओके, नाउ लेट्स रीड दिस चैप्टर, दिस टॉपिक. प्लांट चैप्टर 11 क्लास फर्स्ट. ओके, प्लांट ग्रोज. ग्रोज मतलब बढ़ते हैं, आपको पता होगा, है ना? ऑल अराउंड अस, हमारे चारों तरफ ना. They make the earth colorful. You all have seen. They make it is green leaves, very beautiful, colorful flowers are there. Then the fruits are also there. So it makes the earth colorful. Na? If you start making a beautiful landscape, then you need so many colors. Why? Because we are having a variety of plants also. Then some plants are big, while others are small. Okay, you can just see the picture, big, small, very small. Very big plants are called tree. याद रखिएगा आप लोग, जो बहुत बड़े प्लांट्स होते हैं वो क्या कहलाते हैं, ट्री कहलाते हैं, ठीक है ना? वेरी बिग प्लांट्स आर कॉल्ड ट्री. दे हैव अ स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टेम कॉल्ड ट्रंक. तो व्हाट वी कॉल ट्रंक, द प्लांट हैविंग स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टेम, दैट स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टेम इज नोन एज ट्रंक. ओके, दैट इज जो मोटा स्टेम होता है, जो स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है, दैट इज नोन एज स्टेम ट्रंक. ओके, यू ऑल हैव सीन कि बच्चे कभी कभी यूज टू जस्ट क्लाइम ऑन दिस ट्री, और आपकी ट्री जल्दी से ब्रेक नहीं होते बिकॉज दिस ट्रंक इज़ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. बट इन सम प्लांट्स हैव द वीक स्टेम, बहुत वीक स्टेम होते, दे कैन नॉट स्टैंड ऑन देयर ओन, वो स्टैंड नहीं कर जाते पाते हैं, एंड दे आर कॉल्ड द क्लाइंबर्स एंड क्रीपर. यू कैन सी दिस इज अ क्लाइंबर, हाउ इट इज जस्ट क्लाइंबिंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ सपोर्ट, एंड इट इज क्रीपर, इट इज क्रीपिंग. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, इट वॉज द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. ट्राई टू रीड दिस चैप्टर. ओके.